Returning to wealthy coin, howdy mate. Shiba Inu coin update, don't miss it, according to top analysts. Modern Shiba Inu headlines. After plunging to 8-month lows in mid-June alongside the broader drop in cryptocurrency prices, the Shiba Inu token is attempting to recover its vigor. Recovery, however, appears to be temporary at the moment. Not long ago, the Shiba Inu ecosystem debuted in an incubator for non-fungible tokens and a decentralized exchange. Will bring much-needed utility to SHIB tokens. In addition, developers are hard at work on a Layer 2 solution to reduce the network's reliance on Ethereum. In this video, we'll go over why leading experts think you shouldn't pass on this update on Shiba Inu coins. Modern Shiba Inu headlines. To stay up to date on our current content on Shiba Inu pricing forecasts and expert analysis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, slam the thumbs up button, and share the video. Now, let's get the video started. August 2020 saw the launch of the Shiba Inu. A satire of the cryptocurrency industry, the so-called joke coin takes inspiration from the Dogecoin joke. As cryptocurrency investors sought the next big thing in 2021, coins based on the Shiba Inu dog breed became increasingly popular. Despite the year's great difficulty, big wallet investors have recently purchased more than 855 billion Shiba Inu tokens, which is sometimes interpreted as an indication of an impending bullish trend. The SHIB native coin is an ERC20 token, and Shiba Inu is developed on the Ethereum network. The website claims that Shiba Inu was the first provider of 1 quadrillion tokens. Half of the supply was delivered to Vitalik Buterin, co-founder of Ethereum, for safekeeping, while the other half was locked in the Ethereum-based DEX Uniswap. Buterin contributed 50 trillion SHIB coins, or 5% of its entire supply, to the COVID-19 relief fund in India in July 2021. There was a 40% decrease in Shiba Inu supply due to buttering, which the website states was followed by a dead wallet, also called burning. An ecosystem that includes the leash and bone tokens has emerged from the project's original SHIB decentralized meme token. The Shiba Incubator and ShibaSwamp are two further features of the Shiba Inu network. In addition, Shiba Inu has established the Shiba Inu Rescue Association, a volunteer-run nonprofit with the mission of rescuing Shiba Inu dogs from situations of abandonment, neglect, and abuse. Lead Shiba Inu developer Shidashi Kusama expressed optimism over the network's future. Shibarium, the Layer 2 network developed by Shiba Inu, is proceeding according to Kusama's statement. To avoid the high gas costs associated with the Ethereum network, users of decentralized applications built on the Shiba Inu can switch to Shibarium. Treat! Kusama's new Shiba Inu ecosystem token will serve as a reward token for its games. Metaverse, and its launch is soon to be revealed. Additionally, Kusama mentioned that this year should see the launching of a stablecoin named SHI. The Shiba Inu coin price forecast by CoinCodex for the month of September indicates that the token is expected to continue its downward trajectory in 2022, with a 1-month SHIB price projection indicating a further 3% decline to $0.000000000000 USD. Nevertheless, the website has more optimistic predictions for the future. The Shiba Inu is expected to fetch a price tag of $0.00002524-0.000000131 USD in 2025, with the latter representing a surge of over 1,000%. Wallet Investor, an algorithm-based website, projects that the Shiba Inu token will trade at an average price of $0.00000000 USD by the end of 2022 and $0.0000000000 for 95 years. In the long run, tokens are not a wise investment. The price of digital coin was optimistic about the future performance of SHIB. Its Shiba Inu price forecast for 2030 said that digital coin price anticipated the token would trade at an average of $0.00000158 USD that year. In 5 years, on September 27, 2022, the SHIB token was expected to trade at $0.00000393 USD, according to Gulf Capital's price projection. The bull run for Shiba Inu saw a predicted reversal from the $0.0134 to $0.0134 resistance region when it broke out of its falling wedge in early September. As a result, sellers resumed their market activity, which caused a reversal pattern draw towards the lower band of Bollinger's Band BB. Moving ahead, the newly discovered buying pressure can be hindered by a possible U-turn from the confluence of resistance near the BB's basis line. After a positive volatile break in the middle of August, sellers of SHIB dragged the altcoin towards its sideways track, which is between $0.01217 and $0.0134. The selling pressure on its basic support continued to build after it oscillated in this range for about a month. In a bearish development, SHIB fell below its 20 to 50 EMA and the basis line as a result of the subsequent downturn, which formed a down channel. Having said that, the 50 EMA and the $0.01217 resistance level were tested by the current down channel breakthrough. To add insult to injury, a bearish hammer candlestick confirmed sellers' intentions to limit buyers' power between $0.0115 and $0.012. Sellers are hoping to keep up their momentum in the upcoming session because the near-term exponential moving average is still pointing south. A regression towards the $0.0104 to $0.0108 area can be propelled by a loss below the immediate resistance. A break over $0.01217 would render the bearish bias from press time moot. The top band of the BB would be the target of the purchasers in this scenario. The RSI, or Relative Strength Index, has quickly retreated into the negative territory as the bears have weakened the bullish pressure. As time goes on, the selling attempts will be aided by a sustained sway below the midline. Additionally, the lower peaks of accumulation distributions AD and Chaikin money flows CMF have diverged in a negative way with the market movement over the past few days. A more pessimistic view was echoed by these readings. Ship Queenie, who is also a member of the ship's leadership team, conveyed accurate information from the ship's developers, Chidoshi Kusama and William Volk, to the ship's troops during the recent Shiba Eternity spaces. Card games such as Hearthstone, Yu-Gi-Oh!, and Magic the Gathering are reminiscent to the Shiba Eternity collectible game. Players who tried out the beta version of Shiba Eternity raved about how fun it was to play. One of the key reasons Shidoshi took his time designing the game was to ensure that players would experience this level of excitement and satisfaction. The ship team said in October 2021 that the game would be available for download in app stores within 12 months. The team's announcement that October 1st, 2022 will be the official download day of the new game was a promise they maintained. There are thousands of characters that utilize Shiboshis, and the game boasts an astounding 500 cards. Newcomers can learn the ropes with the game's many tutorials. On average, each player spends 59 minutes each day playing this game. Recommended with a 4.9 rating. Shiba Eternity isn't a play-to-win game like a lot of other apps in the App Store. Purchasing any of the in-game improvements is completely optional for players. Competing with their base deck is a good strategy for them. One great thing about this game is that it doesn't matter if you have a lot of money or not, everyone can play and win. Furthermore, it embodies the essence of the Shiba Inu ecosystem and is consistent with Ryoshi's vision. Many people will be excited about this game because it burns SHIB tokens, which is an exciting feature. A member of the SHIB army named Dez tweeted that head developer Shitoshi Kusama had promised to set aside 5% of Shiba earnings for burning SHIB. Game burns are really an optional addition, Dez said. The Shibarium, the central currency, will burn with every trade. The card gaming industry is expected to bring in $15.71 billion in sales this year, according to many sources of data. Experts in the field anticipate a yearly increase in overall income of 14.36%. So by the end of the next 4 years, they predict the market volume to reach $26.87 billion. We are now projecting an average income of $9.14 per download. Looking at data from all across the world, it's clear that the card game sector makes the most money in the US. The United States alone has made $6,405 billion from card games this year. So concludes today's activities. To view our most recent videos, please subscribe, share, and give us a big thumbs up.